In this video, you will learn how to download soil survey data from the internet into SMS. The SMS desktop software includes an automatic download of the soil survey data, which is available at no charge to download for all customers based in the United States. Downloading soil survey data will result in a new dataset being saved in the management tree. To begin, open SMS. Preview the map of your field to ensure it has a set field boundary. At the top, select File. Click Download Soil Survey Data from the Internet. On the Clipping Options dialog, you can tell the software how much of the soil survey you want to bring in. Clip by Field and Clip Soil Survey Data to Field Boundaries checkbox together means that the data will be clipped by your set field boundary. If you don't have a set field boundary, SMS will try to bring in more data than you need. With the Clip Soil Survey Data to Field Boundaries is checked, you have the option to expand the data brought in by a percentage outside of the field. Make sure Clip by Field is selected and Clip Soil Survey Data to Field Boundaries box is checked, and click Next at the bottom. The Select Data Filters dialog will open. Select the grower, farm, and field you want the soil survey downloaded for. Click Finish at the bottom. In the Management Selection dialog, you have the option to select the year you want the soil survey to live under in the management tree. Select the year you wish to clip it to and click Accept at the bottom. You can now view and map your soil survey data that you downloaded into the software. You have now learned how to download soil survey data into SMS. For more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.